Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the fair value gaps and the levels that we had drawn yesterday, and this is how Nifty traded. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and our basic analysis was that this is on a daily time frame. This is a zone of sell side liquidity, and this is a zone of buy side liquidity on a weekly time frame. So it's a battle between the buyers and sellers in this tight zone, and Nifty did trade right in between this zone right now. We're still not sure who's going to win, but FIIs are selling big, and the movements that you see here are for real with large volumes. As usual, let's hide all the previous analysis and start afresh, starting with the monthly time frame. So for first timers, what we do here is we try to deduce a bias on each time frame, starting from the monthly all the way down to the hourly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias on Nifty is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because I do not have a higher low creation or a lower high creation that I can count on. So there's no bias on it, but there is a level for sellers. This is where the big sellers are on Nifty on a monthly time frame. Let me mark it in red. And where are the buyers? This is where the buyers are. Let me mark it in green. That's all on a monthly time frame. Moving forward with the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish because you see oh no, sorry, Nifty is bullish. I would say bullish. Do I say yes? Yeah, it is bullish until this weekly candle closes. I will have to say Nifty is bullish because this is a swing low and this is a higher low. So once this candle closes well below this, then there's a lower high. That's the latest formation. So then we switch to bearish. Right now it is on the bullish side. The bias is sort of bullish, and we have a fair value gap that we can count on right here. This is a bullish fair value gap, and so eyes on this fair value gap. It's a buy side liquidity, and that has to be eaten into before a fall comes. And if at all the fall comes on a weekly time frame, this is the target for the fall. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what is a bias on Nifty? On a daily time frame, Nifty has turned bearish. This is a swing high and this is a lower high. So on a daily time frame, Nifty has turned bearish. Let me just type it down there. Yeah, quickly. So now we have a new fair value gap that's formed today. That's right here. That would be, and that is a red fair value gap. So that's something to look out for. That is a bearish fair value gap that we have right there. We had a few right here, but now we have a new one to look out for. So let's eyes on this fair value gap, and where is the target? If Nifty decides to fall and fall big, then this is a target for Nifty on a daily time frame. Let me make it thinner. This is a target for Nifty if Nifty decides to fall big, and this is where this is a level that Nifty needs to protect for the bearish scenario, for the bearish bias to sustain. So this is a range on a daily time frame that we have drawn, 24,000 and 23,250 almost. On a 4-hour time frame, again, what's the bias? The bias is bearish, and there are fair value gaps. Just leave it as it is. And going over to the hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Now if Nifty opens somewhere here tomorrow, and then it's a good chance to sell, that would be my trade. Well, that's it for today. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.